Popped up back in the second. Drives this one to left field. That's going to get down. It'll go to the wall. One runner's in. Martinez coming to third. He'll stop there. It's a double and an RBI for Peralta. And the Tigers have a 2-0 lead.
3 through 5, the Tigers have some outstanding hitters. And Johnny Peralta is right in the middle of it. They made him get the fastball down, which is what they've worked on the last couple of innings, and now they're getting some really good swings against Cole Minter.